guys, it's Mr. Golias. Good morning. Hope you're off to a great start. Looking forward to seeing you in Zoom in just a few minutes. So the greetings about Zoom, the QODs about Zoom. You'll watch Flipgrid presentations and you'll finish the day by giving 3 specific compliments. We'll talk about more in a minute. As far as getting into the Zoom, I'll post a link 5 minutes before the meeting in the Google Classroom to make kind of protect our meeting and protect Zoom bombing. So that's how you'll get in. Zoom meeting will be recorded. You'll use your first and last name to sign in. I'll be the one letting you in from the waiting room. If I don't see the first and last name, I'm not letting you in. Again, protecting you from Zoom bombers. 4, you'll be muted to start, and then you can unmute to ask questions and share. I'm really hopeful you'll participate in that manner. 5, be on time, because shortly after we get started, I'm going to lock the thing. Again, we're using that as a protection method. Finally, make sure your video's on, or else there's really no point in doing this if we can't see each other. And then finally, have some good news to share. That would be really great if everybody had something to share. And here's a closer look at the exit slip. Again, we're focusing in on the final slide that you're drawing. You made the favorite game, and you're giving a first compliment by first and last name. What specifically about that favorite game drawing did they do so well? And you give a compliment, and we'll go from there. So looking forward to seeing you guys shortly. Have a great day.